Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 28th. I'm Jane King for TheStreet from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. Wells Fargo CEO John Stumpf giving up $41 million in unvested equity. It's called clawing back. It happens when an executive is found to have been involved in something fraudulent. The clawback relates to the still unfolding scandal over millions of fake accounts set up at the bank. Also, senators will be looking to see if Wells Fargo targeted senior citizens when setting up those accounts. Well, Takata is reportedly in talks to settle a criminal investigation with the U.S. Department of Justice. The Wall Street Journal says federal prosecutors found evidence of criminal wrongdoing in the Japanese company's handling of the rupture-prone airbags. The report says prosecutors are currently awaiting a proposal from the company on how to resolve an anticipated criminal case. And shares of Nike expected to be down at the open. The Rio Olympics did give sales a boost, but the problem was the prediction of future sales. Those don't look so great. The sports apparel company says it is still facing competition from Adidas and Under Armour. Well, happening today, plenty of Fed speak. Fed Chair Janet Yellen testifies before a House panel about the Fed's bank supervision and financial market rules. Fed Presidents Bullard, Evans, George, and Mester all speak today. And August's durable goods orders are released. That's a wrap for us. But be sure to track breaking news and analysis all day at TheStreet.com, at the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. I'm Jane King for TheStreet. Have a great day.